lots and lots of fruit bats will come and occupy all these fruit trees. They literally fight for the fruits in our campus. Look at this amazing fruit trees in ESDS office. So we have this fig tree here, then we have java plum, the mango trees, the lychee, the mulberry, the sapota. So some amazing fruit trees in our office here. Now during the daytime, you will not see any action here on these trees. But during the night time, suddenly a lot of things change in our office. Lots and lots of fruit bats will come and occupy all these fruit trees. There is literally a chaos during the night time. They literally fight for the fruits in our campus, and they take the fruits from here and they take kilometers away. Literally, we'll see a lot of fruits lying here and there in our office in the morning. So we know that the fruit bats were fighting for those fruits throughout the night. But these fruit bats take these fruits all over. The seeds fall through their excreta. The fruits also fall while they are traveling, and a new tree comes over there. Imagine that these fruit bats become our champions for tree plantation. They carry all these fruits and all these seeds across kilometers and long distance and spread them and ensure that they grow everywhere. Once it falls out of their excreta, the seed grows even in concrete. That is the kind of power, that's the kind of nutrition it gets out of their excreta. So we need to utilize these champions, because we ourselves cannot plant so many trees all over the world. If we plant these native fruit trees and allow fruit bats to come and daily enjoy the fruits, we will see a new area, new territories of jungles coming up, and fruits and fruits and fruits everywhere. Such a beautiful world we will leave behind for our next generation.